All right, welcome to part 4 of our video series. And if you've ever had a prospect say no to your business, this video is going to reveal why that happens and how to avoid it. Now, the first thing that we need to understand is that every single action decision every single person on this planet makes is based on one single thing: the desire to avoid pain or acquire pleasure. That's it. From the length of your hair to the fact that you open this email and are watching this video right now, to the job that you chose, were all decisions made because they either gave you pleasure or helped you avoid pain. Now, this is very important for you and I as networkers to know, because it's really going to allow us to do our job, which is to market and promote much more effectively. For example, when our prospects say no, it's really because they perceive the pleasure they were going to gain from starting a home business didn't outweigh the pain of the startup costs or moving outside their comfort zone, right? Now, you can get them over this perceived pain by really positively pumping up their emotional states, and this is what you see at home meetings or on big conference calls, right? See, every single thing we buy stems from emotion. You bought the clothes that you're wearing right now because of how they made you feel. You chose the car that you're driving because it's nice and it makes you feel proud, or possibly because it was inexpensive and you felt great saving the money, or because you avoided the pain of spending too much money that you didn't have, right? You bought into your business because it gives you a feeling of hope that you can achieve more, or possibly because it's going to eventually help you avoid the pain of going to a job that you really, really don't like. So if you want to get fewer no's and more yeses when you prospect, you really need to understand that buying into a business and a dream is based on emotion.
You've just been watching the introduction to one of Mike Dillard's magnetic sponsoring videos in his Magnetic Sponsoring Bootcamp series. If you're at all interested in building your multi-level marketing business, I really do urge that you sign up for free on the website you'll see on the screen now. It's a series of 7 videos that really will open your eyes into how to build your business successfully in network marketing. So let's go to www.mlmleads2u.com. It's a free video course, and I really do recommend that you subscribe today and get this valuable free information as soon as possible. Thank you very much.